How to create or make clothing design in your Canva application for free without paying any of the charges. To do this for free, what you need to do is simply open your Google search on your Google here and search for clothing design Canva in your search bar. Now whenever you will click it, you will see first menu called free and customizable clothing templates. Click on this. If you have already uploaded or installed the application, you will have to do it. It will save you time. Then it will redirect you to the clothing Canva templates from where you can choose any of the clothing template you want, and then you can simply select it like this. And from this menu you can simply adjust it. You can change the color, you can change the image, text, font, and every small detail of this picture or this poster. This is you can change, this can be modified. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel.